Hey everyone, Jeremy here, and today I'm excited to take you on a journey into the world of Linktree, a tool that can transform the way that you manage and share your links. Whether you are an influencer, a business owner, or just someone who loves organizing their online presence, you are in for a treat. Now picture this. You're managing a busy online presence with multiple platforms, projects, and promotions. And instead of juggling a myriad of links or choosing just one to feature in your bio, what if you could have a single link that houses all of your important content? That's where Linktree comes in. It is a digital link hub that centralizes everything that you want to share. Today, we're going to explore Linktree in depth. We're going to cover what it is, what it's used for, who can benefit from it, its pricing plans, and a thorough guide on how to set it up. Plus, we'll take a closer look at some of its coolest features. So Linktree is essentially a customizable landing page that lets you gather all your important links into one place. Instead of having to choose which link to feature in your social media bio, Linktree provides a single link that directs your audience to a page where they can access all of your content, your latest blog posts, social media profiles, special promotions, and more. It's a simple yet powerful tool that makes managing and sharing multiple links easier. Whether you're an individual or a business, Linktree helps you streamline your online presence and ensures that your audience can easily find everything that you want to share. Let's get right into the practical uses of Linktree. Imagine you're a social media influencer juggling collaborations, product promotions, and your latest post. With Linktree, you can consolidate all these links into one easy-to-manage page. You can quickly update and adjust your links to keep your audience engaged with your latest content. Small businesses also rely on it to promote products, showcase services, and link to online stores. Artists and musicians use Linktree to share new releases, tour dates, and merchandise. Nonprofit organizations highlight donation pages, upcoming events, and volunteer opportunities. Freelancers will use it to display their portfolios, contact details, and booking links. Essentially, Linktree streamlines access to multiple important links through a single user-friendly page. Linktree is versatile and perfect for various users. Influencers use it to manage collaborations, share content, and engage followers, directing them to new projects or promotions. Businesses also streamline marketing by showcasing products, highlighting offers, and driving website traffic through one link. Content creators like YouTubers, bloggers, and podcasters centralize their work, social media, and their merchandise. Nonprofit and event organizers share donation links and event details, keeping everything accessible. No matter your role, Linktree simplifies link management and boosts efficiency. Linktree offers several pricing plans to fit different needs. Now, the free plan is perfect if you're just starting out. It includes unlimited links, basic customization options, and essential analytics. You get to drive your offline traffic online with QR codes, grow your cross-channel following, connect all of your social profiles with one easy link, and sell your merchandise and affiliate products with our shop tab. The starter plan is priced at $5 a month. It includes everything in the free plan. Plus, you get to schedule a link to go live and disappear at certain dates and times. You can add animations to your most important links to highlight what's important, customize your button colors and shapes, and choose the font that aligns with your brand or style. You get to spotlight a link so that the content is already on display when a visitor lands on your page, and view the performance of a specific link or social icon and track your commerce value. The Pro plan is priced at $9 a month, and it is the most popular for those who want more features. It offers everything in Starter, plus you get to create bespoke Linktree that matches your branding or style. Add text, images, thumbnails, and animated backgrounds. Gain deeper insights with comprehensive location, referred-based analytics, and conversion tracking, collecting email addresses and phone numbers directly from your Linktree to build your visitor list, and give access to marketing tech capabilities including SEO settings, Google Analytics, Zapier, and MailChimp integrations. The Enterprise plan is priced at $24 a month and designed for larger organizations. The Enterprise plan includes everything in Pro, plus you get tailored onboarding to help you get set up and optimize your Linktree from day one. priority customer support from one of our experts via email or video call, access to unlimited historical insights from the lifetime of your Linktree, and export your analytics data. Choose the plan that fits your needs and budget. The free plan is a great way to get started, while the Pro and Enterprise plans offer additional features for more advanced needs. Now let's talk about setting up your Linktree page. It's a pretty straightforward process, but let's break it down step by step. To start with, go to Linktree's website and sign up for an account. You can use your email address or log in with a social media account. Follow the prompts to set up your account, and once logged in, you'll start by creating your Linktree page. To do this, click on the purple Add New Link button to start adding links. For each link, you can add a title and URL. You can also include a brief description if you want to provide additional context, and turn off the Linktree logo by clicking the button below the preview screen. With the Pro plan, you'll have access to advanced customized features. You can select different themes, colors, and fonts to match your brand. You can also upload your logo, adjust button styles, and use custom backgrounds. Once you're satisfied with your Linktree page, you can see the preview on the right side to make sure that everything looks right. Check the links, the design, and how it displays on both desktop and mobile. When you're ready, copy your Linktree URL at the top of the page and add it to your social bios, email signatures, or anywhere that you want to direct your audience. This single link will now lead them to all of your important content. And there you have it. Your Linktree page is set up and ready to go. Let's dive a bit deeper into some of Linktree's advanced features and tips to help you make the most of the tool. Now with the Pro plan, you get access to detailed analytics. You can track how many clicks each link gets, where your audience is coming from, and which links are the most popular. This data can help you understand what content resonates with your audiences and adjust your strategy accordingly. Linktree allows you to use a custom domain with the Pro plan. And this means that you can create a branded URL that aligns with your business or personal brand. Instead of using the standard Linktree URL, you can use a domain like yourbrand.link for a more professional look. Another useful feature is link scheduling. This allows you to schedule links to go live at specific times, and it's perfect for promoting time-sensitive content or managing campaigns. Linktree also integrates with various tools and platforms such as MailChimp and Google Analytics. This allows you to sync your Linktree with your email marketing campaigns and track performance metrics more effectively. You can also add custom thumbnails to your links to make them more visually appealing. This is especially useful for showcasing videos or images directly on your Linktree page. These advanced features can help you take your Linktree page to the next level, making it more functional and tailored to your needs. Linktree is a powerful tool that can help you simplify your online presence and make it easier for your audience to access all of your important links. Whether you're an influencer, small business owner, artist, nonprofit, or freelancer, Linktree has features and plans to suit your needs. Remember, getting started with Linktree is easy. Sign up, create your page, add your links, customize your design, and share your link with the world. And don't forget to explore the advanced features available with the Pro plan to take your Linktree page to the next level. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials, and I will see you on the next one.